In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable pen pressure in Krita. So to do this, you first must go into your settings up top, and then you want to click on Configure Krita. When you do that, you want to switch over to tablet settings, and you want to enable Windows 8 Plus pointer input. When you do that, simply click OK, and then you want to go to settings yet again, go to configure toolbars, and in here you can see there's like a bunch of different available actions, and you want to look for pressure. Okay, so just type in pressure like this, and you can see here it's going to find pen pressure. Click on it, you can drag and drop it in here, or just click on it and click on this arrow to the right, and now it's over here. You can put it wherever you want, you can position it like however you prefer, and then just click on apply, and notice it's going to appear at top left over here. So if I click on OK right now, I can simply enable pen pressure by clicking on that, and as you can see, it's toggled on, and I'm currently using pen pressure. So that's how to enable it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.